To make coconut milk rice with vegetables, you need mixed vegetables, garlic, tomato, slit green chillies, salt, mint leaves, sliced onions, lemon juice, cinnamon, cardamom, cloves, anise seed, Marathi moggu and bay leaf. I have coconut milk and soaked basmati rice in water for 30 minutes and coconut oil to cook this recipe. Today I am not using ghee. This recipe will taste excellent with coconut oil. Heat coconut oil in a pan, add the spices and saute for a minute. Add the sliced onions, slit green chillies, sliced garlic and saute for a minute. Do not over fry the onions and make it brown. Adding cashew nuts are optional. Add the mixed vegetables, salt, few mint leaves and saute again. Cover and let the vegetables cook. Pour the coconut milk, few tomatoes and the washed and soaked basmati rice. Give a mix. Check for salt if needed. Cover and cook. Mix once and close it again and cook till done. I have diluted the coconut milk with water in this recipe. You can check the recipe in my website at www.sailajakitchen.org. Lastly, add lemon juice, garnish with mint leaves and enjoy hot with any gravy you like.